Hello, welcome to Sounds English with me, Betty. Today's word is cross. 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 It means angry. It is another word to describe feeling angry or mad. You feel cross, you are cross. It is to be cross. To feel anger. The pronunciation is a short sound for the O vowel, and it is a one-syllable word. Cross. Cross. Make sure you see the S. Cross. For example, a child might say to their parent, "Are you cross with me?" if they've done something naughty. Or the parent might say to the child, if they've done something naughty, "I'm cross with you. I'm very cross with you. You have done something wrong. You have been naughty." Alternatively, you could say, "Oh, I'm cross with myself," if you've made a mistake that you feel was a silly mistake that you shouldn't have done, and you're frustrated, you're angry with yourself. You say, "Oh, I'm so cross with myself." So the general tone of the word cross, to be cross, it means exactly the same as anger or to be angry, but it is used in a less aggressive context. So with children or with yourself, or when to say anger or angry is too strong. Cross is a better word. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you don't feel cross today for anything with yourself or with anyone else. If you enjoyed this video, I'd be so thrilled if you could like and subscribe, and I will see you here today and every day for another high frequency English word, phrase or expression. Take care. Thank you. Bye bye.